So it's been a while since I did a video, and just had too many other projects. Bought this house not long ago, so I don't have to deal with renting anymore. So the next move is to get this engine and transmission in. I got the 200 4R or 200R4, whatever. Had it built by a local shop. So now I just gotta stab her on in here. Hopefully it'll go really smooth, but we're about to see. Well, got her bolted in. Pretty much, I need to connect the torque converter, tighten stuff down, drop the distributor back in, the fuel pump back on. A bunch of other work. I need to put that dipstick back in the transmission. But this TV cable that I got, of course, is way too damn long. So doesn't fit right anyway. It's supposed to be for this car, but this transmission, but it doesn't even fit in the hole in the transmission the way it should. So I gotta get another one. But anyway, making progress. Hopefully, I'll update. Hopefully these headers are gonna fit. That's gonna be interesting. I'll find out, I guess. But that's it for now.